Cooking General, where the fuck you been?
Man, I've been doing bad. I haven't been. Oh, wait a minute. My new camera came in?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Back. I'm back. Welcome to the Cooking General. Man, ooh. Man, y'all don't know how I miss y'all. You miss me? Man, I'm finna show y'all something, man. Hey, man, I'm finna tell y'all about a story. Man, I've lost a lot of videos when I broke my equipment. But I'm back now and I got new equipment. Now, check this out here. Now, I was talking to my homeboy last week. He stays in Maryland and all that stuff. He's like, man, you know what? Hottest things I hear, he said, is those little crab cakes. And I'm like, okay, man, I know about crab cakes. And he said, man, that's the hottest thing out there. Because that's why they make the Old Bay season. Started in 1939. I said, man, I know all that there. I visited there. And I showed them how to do a seafood crab cake. Oh, you ain't never heard of it? No, you ain't never. Come here, let me show you what you put in there. Now, check this out here. Now, to do a seafood crab, I got my blue crab over here. You got to have real crab. I got them balling right now. But you dice some shrimp up. Now, here, I got some celery, I got some green onions, and garlic. Some minced garlic. Now, you can use breadcrumbs. You can use saltine crackers. I'm going to use Ritz. I'm going to use hot sauce, cayenne pepper, Hellmann's real mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, and some whiskey sauce. I also got me an egg. Then you're going to have some grease to fry it in. Then I'm going to use a seafood sauce. Now, I ain't going to use no red sauce. I'm going to use a seafood sauce. And on my other seasoning, I'm going to use some garlic powder, salt, and you got to have your Old Bay seasoning. And I'm going to powder them a little bit with flour before I get ready to fry them. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. You just don't. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome to the Cooking General. Boy, I'm back, man. Hey, check it out. You mix all that stuff up I told you. Now, check this out here. I'm not no chef. I'm not a five-star chef. I'm a general. Can't tell you how you do it and how much to add. You just got to add what you like. Follow my directions, what you like, put it what you want, and come in, let me show you what this is here. Now, check this out here. Now, you make your patty like this here. Now, you put it in the freezer. You got to let them freeze for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I made a few of them right here, and I fried a few of them right now, and I got them shrimps in there, and them boogers coming out good, boy. I'm telling you. Now, this is a seafood crab cake because it got shrimp in it, along with the crab meat. And you use real crab meat. And you got to use your Old Bay. You can ask any of my friends about this here.
Damn, Cooking General, you a cooking motherfucker.
Damn. You better ask somebody.